Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஒரு நிமிஷம் யார சரவணன் பேனர்ல கிடையாது ப்ரோ. அதுதான் அது யோகேஷ் கொஞ்சம் பேசும்போது பேசுங்க. அது வந்து உங்க மிஸ்டேக் தான். டாப் ஸ்டெப் ஓகே. அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன ரூல்ஸ் இருக்கு? எக்ஸாக்ட்லி. ஃபண்டிங் ரூல்ஸ் என்னென்ன ரூல் இருக்கு? இருக்கா? அது அடியர் பண்ண பே அவுட் வருமா? இஃப் யூ ஹட் ஃபாலோட் ரூல்ஸ், இதே சரவணன் கிட்ட நான் ஆர்குமெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Yes. But sometimes there is no fucking sometimes. You follow the rules in good firms. Bro, and you know சொல்லியா bro பண்ணீங்க நாள் Hello. Hey guys, how are you? Oh, how many people are there? I have shorted gold actually. Hi, Sujas Dev, how are you? Okay, I have shorted gold here actually. I will tell you why I had shorted. So my idea for short is I actually shorted here. I'm already in a trade. Just targeting this below. So I'm expecting gold to go down more. There is a lot of movement here. So ideally this would be a TP. If that breaks, probably we can see more downside. But again, this move happened because of yesterday Trump. I forgot the full news. Trump announcing Israel. One second. So hello, good evening, sir. How are you? I'm doing good. Oh shit, I was muted. I'm sorry. That's a nice trade on gold. Yes, it is. What Just give me a minute. Let me just share my to my community. So what's up? Anyone has any questions? Can shoot out. I'll happy to answer them. I'm currently with only one screen. I'm currently traveling. I came down to Chennai just to meet a trader and just to chill. I'll be traveling back again to my base tomorrow. Hi Anand. Sorry. Yeah. Hi Arif. Gold is at 62 right now. It's going down. Hopefully we can see some good movement on gold today. Do we have any news events today? I'm just checking. Oh, today is actually bank holiday, so we can see very less movements today, but still 100 pip, 200 pip move can happen. I think my trade is at 120 pip movement already. I'll probably exit in another 100 pips. Hopefully, it will come down on New York Open. But if you guys have entered and probably it, if you guys have entered and you're probably at 50, 60 pips, booking half is a good decision. But the structure looks clearly bearish and the candles are beautifully bearish. So I'm hoping it will push more down ideally today. Nasdaq is consolidating. I don't recommend to go for any trades today because US is holiday. Nasdaq is like being very, 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 very slow. I don't look at this candle today. Whole 1 hour. It just consolidating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no proper movement. But probably in morning we can see some short and then push back. This level is my crazy level. If the market comes here, I will be looking for a short. I'll risk probably 2.5% here on any of my. Oh, gold just made a crazy move, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think I'll finish my trade at 55 because why I'll tell you why I might exit because there is a lot of order blocks, a lot of liquidity is also here 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So ideally, I would try to exit here, but again, there might be some rejection because I mark this levels. You guys know how I mark already, so there might be a huge rejection and then go off, but it can push up also depending on what New York is gonna open and say. But ideally I would recommend this is a very good trade. 200 pips is very good. Book it, have a good trading day. This is what I would personally recommend for traders who are trading every single day. Oh, it came till my TP. Come on, another $22. So what's up? Anyone has any questions? Euro USDT. I think I had a Euro USD sell today. Yes, I had a Euro USD sell today. I think the TP is done in the morning itself. Let me analyze the market right now. Oh, it's struggling in this area. I would recommend for a full proper break of this because there might be a rejection here. Then on retest you can look for longs. But if it respects this level and goes down, you can look for shorts. But right now market is very uncertain. I don't recommend any trades currently. I don't think you guys should also take any trades currently. But can you guys tell, is there a trade for USD currently for you guys? Oh shit, my screen is not visible. Bro, I am really sorry. Okay. My screen is visible now. I think it's taking some time to load. Is my screen visible, guys? Can you guys see my screen? I think my screen is not getting visible. Like, hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Oh, so much. I just okay. So much. Hey, handpick. Just moved UAE 2 months before. Please, can you tell me what is the smooth way to withdraw USD in UAE? Because you have been there. Would you have experience? Bro, actually UAE, lot of if you have moved, try to get a bank there, and most of the banks accept has Like I'm not sure. I don't have not used banks there, but generally I think it's pretty much you can withdraw in Trust Wallet mostly. You can use that. Red Dot is also good. You can try it out. Okay, let's look at this is a Euro USD chart. I think I had a short here which I had booked, but again it's just consolidating. There is no proper breakout on any side. I don't recommend any proper trade today. Probably if it breaks up and retest from this level, you guys can look for longs. It's going to be a beautiful long, but currently don't trade Euro USD. I think it's very bad to look for sells. Oh wow, gold is almost near our TP. Come on, let's go. 55 is where I've kept. Like I could have kept it 56, but this is a very good trade actually. Almost 72 and yeah, 200 pips closed down. I think Nasdaq I already explained. I won't place any trade because there is no moves and today's bank holiday. I would stay away. So what's up, guys? I know only I am here. Those both were didn't show up, but I think they're busy with their some other thing. So let's answer some questions. If you guys have anything to ask, please do shoot out. I'll try to happily answer you guys. Shit, I am muted. Okay. Do you trade based on uh, uh, okay, so do you trade based on higher time frame like monthly, yearly? I don't look at monthly or yearly. I'm more like top down approach. My highest time frame is day candle, then 4 hour, then I look for 1 hour. This is my higher time frame analysis, and 1 hour, 15 minutes where I will look for entries. I do place my trades at 5 minute and 1 minute. This is what I do. Since I watch gold every single day, I don't really go at 1 hour or 4 hours. I just mostly look at 15 minutes, 1 hour sometimes to place trades. Yeah, yeah, I figured it out. There was no sound because I was mute. Bro, how to control recover from the losing streak? See, this is what a lot of people go wrong. When you take a stop loss, accept it. Okay, don't again place a trade just because you took a stop loss and you want to avenge the market, right? Immediately. This has happened to me a lot of times. This is the only thing which can help you. This has happened to me a lot of times as well. But end of the day, you have to accept it's a loss. It's a part of trading journey, and slowly you can grow. If you okay, can you? Sure, I will tell you. Mhm. My screen is getting shared. Is my screen getting shared? Just give me a minute. I think it should take some time to load. So I was on gold sell from the morning, then again bought in the afternoon. Then again I'm on sell. I will tell you why exactly I'm selling. My screen is set to share. Just hold on, guys. Wait for it. Bro, it's just taking time. There is some delay. Just hold on because the live stream. I have requested for a screen share. It just okay, perfect. Okay, so morning. This is one of my favorite entry. Okay, morning it formed double top and it was not able to go above, and we had a huge rally in the morning. Okay, and this was the level I think I marked with you guys sometime back. Okay, and perfectly it was my TP level. I actually sold a sell in the morning. Wait, I'll just go internally so that I can explain you guys. I had a sell from here in the morning. My stop loss was very short, just above this. My TP was like somewhere this candle down. Okay, because this was the first candle where I can see some rejection. Okay, this was a morning trade. Then again in the afternoon, I took a buy till this level. From here, this trade to this level, I exited. Now again sell. Okay, the whole point is why I took a sell is. Let me just remove it. Okay, I was expecting to short somewhere in this area. Okay, this was my initial level for today. Here is a server. Okay, was there is a downward momentum. Okay, this was my first level, and I was also, if this doesn't respect, I was planning to short here. These were my two levels to short perfectly today, and it rejected this level. I can see, and there was this internal sweep happened, but I went early today because I know that level will respect. I placed my trade here, exactly here, hoping that it went little on the fair, but again it went to finish this line. So it was a full TP for me. But I am expecting again, if it breaks this low and retest, it will go down or it can again come back. So if you guys want to go in depth, I can go, but this high level is even more easier. It's very simple. A lot of people can understand. The concepts are simple. When it comes to my level and I see a rejection or a sweep, internal sweep, I just place my trade. As simple as that. SL just above the structure high. Okay, this is my structure high. So here I will never keep my SL. I'll probably give some space of 50 pips because there might be a candle swipe just for the liquidity grab most of the time. Got it? So that's why I do. I mark my levels. I mark these areas. I just enter my trades. My TP would by the opposite level or order block. Currently, my TP is done at 55, but I know it will go to sweep downside. But I have seen market so many times faking it out, won't go again, go back to entry, come back. So I don't want to have that anxiety. So I tend to book and do this. Will it reach till 540? Maybe if it breaks 458 and sweeps and go up, it can happen. But if it doesn't respect, it will completely fall. It totally depends on what the candle speaks and that particular area. That's great. I'm following you since 1 year. Really love your trading style. Respect. Thank you so much. But yeah, I can. I'm happy with currently what I do. But market into humble us here and there. Yes. Any other questions, guys? I would happily answer. Perfect. Anything else, guys? I would happily walk you through, or if you guys have any doubts, if you guys are facing any issues, if you want my opinion, you guys can ask. Bro, I used to use Fibonacci for retracement, but right now, for me, levels had much more impact and much more cleaner analysis on levels. So I use levels more. Fibonacci I used to use, but I can still show you guys how I used to do. I'm not, I would say I'm an expert at it, but I used to survive with Fibonacci. Let me just go through a Fibonacci. Basically, you should look at some time frame which is suitable for you guys. Though I will choose a different chart. Sorry, because I use this chart for my day-to-day trading. I know it looks bad, but end of the day, this is what I do. Okay. First, you have to analyze a time frame. I would recommend a good time frame. 1 hour is the best for me. Okay. So, right now, this is actually on a bearish trend, guys. I don't think it's a. Okay, let's go. This is on a bearish trend. It's not a good time frame to draw a fib. This is not how to draw a fib. Let me look at 4 hour. Okay, this is a good way to draw a fib because market is consolidating. Let me just where is this Fibonacci man? It's here. Bro, where is Fib? I don't. It's been a while since I used Fibonacci. Long short for. Can you guys help me? Where is Fibonacci level? Here it is. Okay, so basically, market went up. It is moving up. So it is the lowest point of the market. The highest point is on the left side. So we are not looking at that level. Shit. Okay, so you have to choose here the lowest point to the highest point. Where is the highest point? It is so far here. So this is how people mark. It tends to react like sorry about the fancy rainbow colors. So people used to trade in these ranges. So again, I think this 54 below is the liquidity area which you guys mark. If it respects, probably it will go up, and if it breaks in here, there will be like complete buy side. If it breaks here, we can look for sell still here, easy sells. If it breaks down and if it respects this level which doesn't push up, people will go easy sells. I mean, this used to work, but it's just that I have improvised so much. This is what people would trade. And sorry, this is not this far. Break, stretch. It might. Okay, this is what people would trade if they were on a sell. Buy side again, if this respects, they will look for buy, and next time it breaks completely, they will keep on holding the buy figure. But I'm not a Fibonacci expert. I might make mistakes, but this is how I used to trade Fib before. But right now, I don't use Fib tool regularly, and people love these 0.5 and 0.68 trades. I know traders who trade in between these lines. I know traders who don't use all the area which by default they adjust and keep 3 levels, and they tend to trade between these levels as well. So these have worked. I think it will still work if you are concentrated enough. Gold is gonna go down. I think if it breaks, I think we can look for good sells. So Asia and London liquidity will sweep. Please tell startup in gold. Will market continue to drop from 553.74? Bro, possibilities are there, but again, I just told you below 555 there is LQ. Probably it can sweep and go little pullback. But if the pullback continues to rally, it will rally very good. It totally depends on the session today. Do you use Fibonacci? I think I answered you guys. What was your habit? What was the one habit you changed from unprofitable to profitable chaser? Planning my trades, planning my account purchases. That has changed drastically how I used to trade and currently where I'm at. Before I don't plan, I randomly buy account, play trade, pull. I used to more or less like gamble, but right now I would trade this account is this trade this time one account. If I have 3 accounts, if my plan is one account, I would trade only that account. Even if it's an A plus plus golden setup, I would still make that account. I'll stick to my plan. Another is okay, it came to this level. If I had planned to book half, I would book half. If I had to plan to take profit, I would take profit. This has, but after taking, if it goes another 100 200 pips, the main thing is not to get FOMO. That has drastically improved how I traded. Because when you get FOMO, right, you go little bizarre on bad trades. 1 second. Okay, still do you okay? Still taking counter trend trade, bro? Yes, I do still take counter trend trades wherever I am able to look for my entries. I still go for counter trend trades. Setup for your, I think, explained. Still taking CTT trades, bro. I don't even know what is CTT. Is that CRT? What you're telling? Did you make a typo, or can you just mention what is CTT? Rejection means high volume red candle or wicks or internal sweep, right, bro? See, rejection is basically if it wicks out on a very good level where your mark liquidity is just liquidity grab. Rejection is basically there is this line, okay, one, two, three, four, keeps on hitting and creating liquidity. That is complete rejection, and the last candle sweep and drop down. So these are rejection. How is the probability JP for order JP7FX order blocks 15 minutes with 1 hour counter? Bro, I really like that indicator. That is one indicator I've been constantly using. I used to have session indicator, but I'm mostly used to that sessions now. This indicator has helped me to book profits, to look for entries on key levels, like combination of my key levels. My key levels, this order block areas I look for to book profits and also to exit trades, and also look for reversals. It has helped me a lot. Yeah, counter trend trade. Yeah, I'm a CTT trader. You guys like put a new term for it. I didn't know. Can we trade sell side or buy side gold? Bro, my TP is done. Like whatever sales was there, TP is done. 200 pips, like done. Probably I would have entered a two lot trade, and it is freaking how much? $4,000. More than enough. If it was 10 lot, it is $20,000. So I don't look for like 1,000 pips, 600 pips, 500 pips, 100, 50, 200 pips is good money. Right now, I think I already told. Oh, wow! I told you right below 55 there is a good liquidity. Probably just hit and you guys see a pullback. Market just behave the same way if you guys look at it gold. Correct. So this is what I told you my plan. My plan is I know it will go little down, but still I will book at 55 because market tend to push back up. Then probably decide what to do, and a new session is opening. That's why I clearly told you I made my plan very clearly. I spoke everything on the live. You guys can go back and look at it. Why I did that. What do you think about the order flow tools, bro? Bro, see, I have no issues on people who trade order flows. Okay, but the problem is, are you here to make money or waste time? Correct? Eventually make money. Correct? I am a firm believer your trading setups should be as simple as possible. Like it should be easy for you. When trade comes, you have to execute. Okay, order flow. You have to volume is coming. This push. It might sound fancy. The chart looks nice, but end of the day, ask that order flow trader, are you making money? That's all my question is. But if you're making order flow money and it works, go for it. Yes, my Instagram is down, guys. Like, I don't think I'll get it anytime soon. The new, could you give any tip to mark high probability liquidity area, please? I think I've given multiple times, guys. Very okay. I'll just explain you what I know, what I have learned. Again, this rainbow looks fancy. Just give me a minute. Screen is getting shared. One thing you guys look for an indicator, which I like. I don't like marking order blocks to be honest. Some people love marking order blocks. I like marking my levels, but not order blocks. Okay. Okay. Simple. You guys are sure it mitigated this, correct? But there is a rejection here. There is a wrong push here. First thing, let's mark both sides order blocks, correct? Let's delete all this. Okay. So there is a big push here. Do you guys feel there is a liquidity here? Because liquidity is left whenever there is a big market movement below that liquidity is there, and market will come to grab it 85 to 90% of the time. Okay. So here you have liquidity, correct? Here there is an order block mitigated, but still there is liquidity here, the level two. So these will be my targets if I am looking for sell. Okay, but there is an order block here. Again, it can go and come back. Okay. Now here is LQ, correct? There is a drastic movement downwards, correct? So there is LQ here, correct? Now there is a small NQ here, Okay, there is no LQ here actually. Just sweep. I don't think this is a good level. This is a good level. Okay, and this is a good level. Correct. Now market is just ranging between this. If you go on a shorter time frame, you will see a lot of levels here. But ideally, if in a shorter time frame, I'll show you another thing for you guys. I told you sell is triggered, easy TP at 55, and there might be a rejection here, which has happened. There was an internal LQ here at a 50, a strong internal LQ. If you are a trader, if you had planned it well, okay, sell here, TP here, done. Again, if you are respecting LQ, you will risk 1% to buy from here to probably target this order block, correct? Because market has been ranging, and still there is time. We still have 30 minutes of time, so the candle can finish here and see what to be done. Again, can you sell? And this time there is no LQ here, it can break and fall. If it's a sell, you can easily target this level, because these are resistance change support level. There might be some rejection, but NTP would be here if you are on sell moving forward. I'm just giving an example how I mark these levels, how I will plan my trades. And I did plan a trade live with you guys, why I exited. And it's completely reversing. I exited 55. I told you there is a LQ there, it can reverse and pull back. If someone has utilized that, they are already making 100 pips right now. From 53 to 63 is 100 pips, clean 100 pips. I'm still expecting it can reject from here, then probably look for sell. But again, New York, what the event says, we have to wait and see. My trades are almost done for today, but I just told you guys how I would mark and probably like take trades. Bro, there is a lot of messages. Just give me a minute. One second. In what base you provide Euro USD sold? I made $1,000 profit. Thank you, bro. I just told you why I made that bias and why I took those entries, and I am very happy that you made $1,000. Congratulations. How much probable scalp between order block and 15 minutes time frame? Bro, see, scalping between order blocks is very dangerous. I'll tell you why. But you have to identify where market is consolidating. If market is moving on a trend with volume, the order blocks will never respect anything. Trust me. Order blocks respects when volume is low and very less traders are involved. They tend to scalp between the order blocks. But during high volume uh, time, order blocks will not be respected. Like 15 minutes order block will never be respected in high volume trades. What leverage should one use as an intermediate trader? Bro, like ideally 1 is to 100, 200 is a very great leverage. It's a very great leverage on India, like sorry, in market. 1 is to 100. Cool. Do you guys have any other questions, or shall I wrap up today? Final question, guys. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Cool. Let's wrap up, guys. Thank you for attending. I hope someone made profit. At least I think three people had made profit. They pinged. I'm very much happy. Let's catch up on regular live and make regular money. Perfect. See you guys. Have a nice week ahead. He is currently here sitting opposite to me, but I can't show him because this is trading stream. Cool. Let's give me level in gold for sell, bro. I think you can look for sells at 70, 71, 70 after order block mitigation, but I won't. I will see what the still another half an hour. New York is going to open up. So your phone अंदर गया. Cool. Chalo. See you guys. Bye.